how to connect Hostinger domain to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger and then simply go to your settings. Now the next step is to simply scroll down, and under publishing, as you can see, you have your blogspot.com domain, and under you have custom domain. So simply click on that, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your custom domain. So I'm gonna enter mine, and then after that simply click on save. Now of course you're gonna have to verify this domain. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Hostinger and then simply log into your account. Now the next step is to simply go to your domains, and then you're gonna have to select the domain that you just entered here on Blogger, and I'm gonna click on it. So you're gonna have to go to domains and then click on manage. Now the next step is to go to DNS, and then here where it says manage DNS records, you're gonna have to add two different CNAMEs. So you're gonna have to click on type and select CNAME, and here where it says target, what you're gonna have to do is simply add this one here, the first one, and here it says name, you're gonna have to add this one here. Then you're gonna have to add another one, but this one here is gonna be different. So under name, you're gonna have to add this text here, and then here it says target, you're gonna have to add this one here. After you enter these two CNAMEs, simply click on save, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.